My name is Ramil Bhatnagar. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon. My practice is Orthopedic Institute Brielle Orthopaedics, a subsidiary of OrthoNJ. We all as independent groups in our area have seen the changes occurring with hospital systems, with private equity mergers. So we saw as the medical environment changed, we needed to coordinate and collaborate and come together. The reason why we joined OrthoNJ, in medicine, we're all losing autonomy to insurance companies that determine who we should treat or who we can operate on. This type of organization preserves as much autonomy as we can get. And the autonomy we need is the ability to decide what's best for our patients. OrthoNJ is the big umbrella. When it comes to the doctor-patient relationship, OrthoNJ really has no auspices over how I practice or what I do. It is just the way we organize things to be able to deliver the care we want to deliver. I live in the community I serve. I also take pride in seeing my patients on the baseball fields or in Costco or elsewhere. Our community is a great community to serve, and I think we deliver the orthopedic surgery product very well there.